Hey everyone, my name is Chrissy Cupworth and I have been a tutor at the Writing and Multiliteracy Center since spring of 2018. I am a fourth-year English education major with my minor being in Chicano Studies. So the Writing and Multiliteracy Center is a resource for students to utilize in order to improve their writing and communication skills. After being here for over 2 years as a tutor, I have been able to learn a lot from my experience as well as being a tutee myself from time to time. From my experience, I believe that students should visit the WMC for useful feedback as well as gaining new perspectives and skills that will benefit them beyond the classroom. The tutors are all well trained and adjusted to online learning while also creating a personal experience with their tutees during their appointments. Tutors, such as myself, are students as well, so we are understanding the struggles that are being faced right now with remote learning. We provide assistance in a variety of subject fields as well as in professional development. As we've made the online transition to offering our appointments via Zoom, the center has made its own adjustments to best accommodate our students' needs. We offer tutoring for both written assignments as well as oral visual presentations for any and all majors and minors. During an appointment, tutors and students can go over any part of the writing process. From brainstorming the prompt to making the final touches on your citations, tutors at the WMC are ready to assist you. Group appointments are also available to students whenever they need for class projects or assignments. There are many ways to make an appointment at the WMC. You can send an appointment request to our email or simply visit our drop-in Zoom room that functions during our normal hours. For our weekly schedule or step-by-step instructions to make an appointment, visit our website linked below. Thank you!